Okay, hello everybody. Today we'll discuss where you can get the large repository for analysis. So it might be a problem for the user to download a different data set that having a different format, email data sets, government data, sports data for the analysis. So here we suppose so in a Hadoop framework, Hadoop framework is an open source of storage system that company uses to ingest and store data for the different processing. So for MapReduce model, so you need a data set in SDFS. So user cannot retrieve a large data set from the internet. So today we discuss you can retrieve a repository from the different sources. Here if we have, suppose you want to retrieve a of sports data, so you having a site open source sports.com. You can download a different sports data set, basketball data set, football data set, hockey data set. If you here you can see in a sports open sports source sports.com that contains a different sport data set on the basis of different sports. If you want to download a basketball data set, click on the basketball data set. Here you can see in a download from, you can download a data set from here and then click on the link, and the downloading is started. You can download a data set, basketball data set, football data set from there. And if you want to download a email data set, we are having a site that provides the free repository to download to retrieve a data of email data set that contains some email repository here. So here cs.cmu.edu that provides the Enron email data set in the form of, it contains some data set. Here we can download this data set that contains that is having a compressed format. So you can download this data set from this website cs.cmu.edu. So here we are having a website UCI machine learning repository. This website hosts information on a machine learning repository. If you want to download an electricity load diagram, so you can click on this electricity load diagram, and then here it having attributes, real region. So you can download a data set in the form of data folder or a data set description. So data set description contains some attributes that is relating to the data set which you are trying to download from this website. Here if I click on this data folder, the data set, you can download a data set in the form of zip compressed format. And if you want to download another data set that referring a different format, so if you want to download a student performance data set, you can click on the student performance, and then you can download data folder, and then you can download a student.zip file. The zip file is downloaded. You can click show this is a data set that contains data in the form of CSV format. Here you can see we are having a data. You can use this data with the Hadoop framework, with different framework which you are using. You can download this data set. So if we are having here we having a Wikipedia data set, you can download a Wikipedia data set in the form of repository. We are having a data set in the form of XML files, SQL files. If you want to download XML file, you can click on the XML file. The XML file is starting. So here it is downloading. So here suppose we are having another file. So if you want to download a SQL file, you can click on the SQL file start downloading. So basically, so here why we are retrieving a repository from a different source. For working on this data set, to analyze the data set, to hide the patterns, to basically to extract the business patterns or the trends from the data sets. So here we are having a data set website data.medicare.government. This is a website. It contains some information about the Medicare. You can download a Medicare data set, healthcare data set from this website. Here you can see we are having a website data.medicare.gov that contains a hospital and data set. You can click on this link. Here you can see we are having a MPN, hospital name, and a state, performance category, RSPR. So here you can export the data from this website. So here you are having a link right side. You can export a link in a data with the download as CSV format, JSON format, PDF format, XLS format, XLS format. Suppose you want to work on the XML data set, you can download this data in XML format. The file is downloaded in a .xml extension that contains the data in the form of key and value pair. So here, if you want to export the data from this website, data.medicare.gov, you can export the data in the form of JSON format. It contains the data in the object form, JavaScript object notation. So if you want to retrieve the data from a CSV format, separated values format, so you can export the data in a CSV format. Click on the CSV. The file is downloaded. Here you can see file is down. It contains some information about the hospital name, state, performance, RSRR. It contains some information. You can retrieve this. You can analyze this data set in a Hadoop framework, in another framework which you are using. Here suppose we have downloaded this data set from this site. So if you want to analyze this data, so you have to upload this data in a HDFS if you are using a Hadoop framework. So Hadoop is made up of two pieces: HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System, and another second component is MapReduce model. So if you are using a MapReduce model, so first you have to upload this data set in HDFS. Then you have to implement this mapper function, reducer function to work with this data set. Suppose in my case here, MPN hospital name. So you can discard the field as well in a mapper phase in the MapReduce model, which you are not interested. So here we are having a different format. So suppose you want to analyze different data set, you can download the American College of Cardiology data set from here. Click on this link. So here this is another data set. You can export this data set in a CSV format, JSON format, Excel format. So basically we are having a different sites. You can download a repository, free repository from this site as HTTP, or you can copy this website and paste it in your URL and then download datasets. So here we are having a InstaOPN, and this is a Blogger. It contains a different website that contains the data, Wikipedia data, common crawl data. So you can download a Wikipedia repository from this. And if you want to analyze the some million songs, so here we are having a million songs data set. You can download a songs data from this website and right click on this, and then you can download a data set, different data song data set from this website. If you want to retrieve a government data, you can click on this website, datagovernment.uk. It will download the government data from the. So here we are having a different data sites, and that contains a different data sets. So you can download a data set from different social media sites, Facebook, Twitter, and then start analyzing a data in Apache Hadoop framework. So to learn about how Apache Hadoop Big Data and Hadoop codes, visit at easylearning.group. Okay, thank you guys.